vocabulary
Glassware edition.
Okay, everybody, so we have a taller one made from plastic, a shorter one that's made from glass,
And a taller one that's made from glass.
and Jordan, what would you call these?
Personally, I would call all of these cups.
Cups.
What about you, Katie?
I would agree with you that these are all cups. I would probably call them glasses, though.
Even though this one is plastic,
I might just say, oh, give me a glass of water, even if like this was the choice. However, I think a lot of people may call this a cup because it's not made from glass. What about this? You would call this a cup even if it's made from glass?
yeah, I would call that either a cup or a glass.
All right, and I think I could call this a cup or a glass as well. I probably tend to use glass, and a lot of people might make a distinction where glass is glass, plastic is cup, but not necessarily. Both are correct.
I feel that a glass is a type of cup.
Okay, so it's like a category.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, Jordan, so I've got this glass/cup. If I put water in this, what would you call it?
I would call it either a glass of water or a cup of water.
Okay, interesting. If I put beer in this,
I would call it a glass of beer.
a glass of beer, okay. And this plastic cup, if I put beer in this, what would you call it?
I would still call it a glass of beer.
Okay, Jordan, what do we have here?
This is a cup or a mug.
And when you ask for a drink in this, if you ask for a coffee or a tea, how do you ask for it?
We say a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. We do not say a mug of coffee.
Interesting. Okay, Jordan, let's talk about these.
Okay.
Tell me your feelings about this.
So for me, this has a lot of different names. This can be a cup, a glass, or more specifically, a wine glass.
For me, I would always kind of think of this first as a wine glass. Even if I just pointed to it and I said, hey, hand me that wine glass. Even if I poured milk in this and was drinking milk out of here, I would probably say, hey, look, I'm drinking my milk from a wine glass.
Interesting.
So you can see that even with native speakers, there can be a little bit of difference in the way people use vocabulary. Cheers.